This is one of my favorite winter warmers, some stewed lentils. They are incredibly easy, so healthy, and just as delicious. Take a medium onion, about 150 grams, and add to your food processor about 100 grams of red pepper. Green will do, but red is better. A couple of cloves of garlic and a roughly chopped carrot. And I say roughly chopped because after adding 50 grams of olive oil, we're just going to blend the whole thing together for just a few seconds until we get that consistency. Once we have it, now we're going to stir fry for about 8 minutes at high, I think. And yes, I put a chili pepper because I absolutely love it. A teaspoon of paprika, some chorizo, like 100 grams, give or take, and 100 grams of diced Serrano ham or prosciutto. I can buy like that. Add 800 grams of pre-cooked lentils. You can add the normal ones, but then you have to soak them. 2 bay leaves, 1 stock cube, 700 grams of water, and then we're going to boil everything for about 30 minutes, give or take, until we get this beautiful, beautiful consistency so we can serve and enjoy.